Are you interested in the best Delta SkyMiles credit card that comes in either a shiny purple metal credit card or a 70% reclaimed plastic credit card? Well, if so, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Noble Credit, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Delta SkyMiles Reserve credit card by American Express. Get cinematic on them. So let's confirm that you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to go over all of the benefits for the Delta SkyMiles Reserve credit card by American Express. And I'm also going to walk you through the complicated Medallion qualification status program by Delta. Earning Medallion qualification segments, miles, and dollars can be a very complicated process, but if you stick with me through this video, I'm going to make it a lot less complicated. Listen, I got you, man. It's Noble Credit. We out here. Let's go. So right now, the current sign up bonus is pretty good. I'll put it on the screen right now because it changes periodically. However, if you want the best offer available right now, go ahead and click the referral link for the Delta SkyMiles Reserve credit card in the description box below. So one of the major benefits and one of the newest benefits to the Delta Reserve credit card is you're going to save 15% off all award bookings, and that's award travel through Delta and Delta connected carriers, not partner airlines. So you're also going to get complimentary access to the Delta Sky Club and the Centurion Lounge when you have this card. The caveat is you must be flying on a Delta flight, and when you show up to the Delta Sky Club or the Centurion Lounge when you have this card, they'll already know that you have this card. So all you have to do is pull out your app and show them your boarding pass, and then you'll be good to go. The best feature on this card to me has got to be the annual companion certificate. You'll be issued the companion certificate every year after the anniversary of your card. So my anniversary for having the Delta Reserve card every year is in March. So every year, the day after my anniversary, I get an email about Delta issuing me the companion certificate through my SkyMiles account. I think now you can see why this is my favorite airline, because this is the feature that's going to set the Delta SkyMiles Reserve credit card apart from the SkyMiles Platinum credit card. You get a companion certificate with the Delta Platinum. However, the Reserve's companion certificate can be used for first class flights. So if you can max this feature out, the card easily pays for itself, even with a $550 annual fee. Oh, and did I mention there are no foreign transaction fees? Also, you might want to consider this card if you fly frequently out of a Delta hub. I'm talking about my people up in Boston. I'm talking about my people down in Atlanta. I'm talking about my people over in Cincinnati. I'm talking about my people over in Seattle. I'm talking about my people stuck in Salt Lake City. I'm talking about my people trapped in Minneapolis, St. Paul. I'm talking about my people chilling at JFK and LaGuardia. So you can have an authorized user with this card. It's going to be $175 each for each authorized user, and the authorized user can use your Delta Reserve credit card to have guests within the Centurion Lounge or the Delta Sky Club as well. It's just they don't get the 2 free guest passes per year that the card holder is going to get. They would actually have to pay $39 for each additional guest. So I just mentioned it, but I'll reiterate it again. Along with your complimentary Centurion Lounge access and Delta Sky Club access, you will get 2 free one-time guest passes every year. They do not carry over, so you have to use them within that year. And let's go back to the annual companion certificate real quick. You must book and fly before that annual companion certificate expires. This card is also going to come with concierge service. It's going to come with a global entry and TSA pre-check credit. Global entry will be good for 4 years, while TSA pre-check will be good for 4.5 years. You're better off getting the global entry credit because global entry covers TSA pre-check. You're going to get your first check bag free for you and up to 8 passengers on the same reservation. You're going to get priority boarding, and you're going to get 20% savings on eligible in-flight purchases. Now, having this card is also going to make you eligible for priority upgrades if there's no one with a medallion status on your flight. Now, how do you earn miles on this card? You got to spend on the card. You're going to get 3x back for all Delta purchases when using your Delta Reserve credit card. Also, you can earn at partner hotels and Airbnbs, auto rental companies, Lyft, Turo, SkyMiles Dining, SkyMiles Shopping. Those 2 you have to sign up for. Now, you can also buy Delta SkyMiles, but it's not worth it when you're buying them at 3.5 cents per point. That's almost 3 times what they're actually worth. Okay, so for those of you who are interested in status, I'm going to explain Medallion qualification miles, Medallion qualification dollars, and Medallion qualification segments. So MQMs, Medallion qualification miles, are earned by how far you fly. Regular economy is going to earn 1 MQM per mile flown. Higher tiers are going to earn 1.5 to 2 MQMs per mile flown. So next is medallion qualification dollars. And no, I'm not talking about the dollars that you throw at the gentleman's club.
Money!
Cinnamon doesn't accept these types of dollars. You earn 1 MQD for every dollar spent on Delta flights. And this includes fare and airline fees, but not taxes or government fees. And last but not least are medallion qualification segments, also known as MQSs, which are earned based on how many takeoff to landing flights you fly. So for instance, a nonstop flight from DC to LA is going to earn you 1 MQS. However, if you have a stopover, or if you have 2 stopovers, a stopover in St. Louis, then a stopover in Denver, that's going to be 3 MQSs. Now, medallion status for the current year is earned through the activity from the previous year, and your status is going to be good until January 31st of the next year. So for instance, it's 2023. If I had silver status, then I would keep that silver status until 31 January of 2024. And I earned that silver status due to the spin, the segments, the dollars earned, the miles flown from 2022. And MQMs do roll over to help you out with status for the next year. Now you can also status match from another participating airline, but you must meet the status match requirements within that 3-month given period. Now over time, it's become harder and harder to earn medallion qualification dollars. And actually in 2023, the requirements went up by 33% for levels gold and higher. Now the 4 levels of medallion status are silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. Here's a list of what you need to qualify for each tier. One of the best benefits if you're interested in status of having the Delta Reserve credit card is if you do enough spend on the card, you get a medallion qualification dollars waiver, also known as an MQD waiver, which means you don't have to spend the MQD requirement, which MQDs only count if you spend them on Delta. However, with the MQD waiver that comes with the Delta Reserve credit card, when you spend a certain amount of money, you get to go around that. And here's a list of some important benefits, but there are also some of the more tertiary benefits to the card. You're going to get baggage insurance, trip delay insurance, trip cancellation insurance, trip interruption insurance, car rental loss and damage insurance, access to the Premium Global Assist hotline, which means if you're more than 100 miles away from home, you're eligible for medical, legal, financial, other emergency coordinations, and assistance services. Not so bad, right? Also, you gotta admit, this is one of the sexiest credit cards that there is. And don't forget to get the best sign-up bonus offer available. Apply using the link in the description box below. Just have a decent credit score and you should be good. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. If you appreciate the video, please go crazy on that like button. It doesn't cost you a single medallion qualification dollar, but I need you to get your noble credit qualification segments on another video. I will see you in that next video. Peace.